We are on a momentous occasion. This is for us. We announce our squad which is going to represent us. They have qualified from Goa, as you know, and they are participating in the National I-League for under 18. We are the first and the only team to win this I-League under 19. In 2010 we achieved it, and that too it was on the grounds of Mohun Bagan at the Maidan. So when you are going, you are carrying the aspirations of all the Goans. So this, at a crucial time when there is less Goan representation, even in the senior team, maybe you are the budding stars, you 20, 24, you are the cream. You are playing in sport. See, when you play for any club with this, especially Sporting, when you are with Sporting, we have selected you because you are a talent. To keep the flag of Goa and Goans flying high. Another good news, like yesterday we won the women's at Chinchini. That's just a playoff, it has nothing to do with Sporting, but this is the promo of women's day. So this year we are having a good successful run. Okay. After winning the being runners-up under 18, we won under 20 Tasa Goa, we have won the Goa Pro League, we won the Police Cup, and we are aiming to win the sevens.
I have a very important announcement to make. We have our player Stendly Fernandes. The Stendly, whose signature was sought by many clubs, has chosen to stay with Sporting by signing his first professional contract with us.